Hey everyone, and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the network error occurred issue in MultiVersus. This error just happened to me, and it says, exiting match, connection failed. This is the first time it's happened to me, so I'm going to share some of the best ways to prevent this from happening to you. So let's see what you can do. The first thing you should try is simply restarting the game. You can also restart your console, whether you're on PlayStation, Xbox, or PC. This error is often due to a connection issue. I recommend restarting your router. Unplug all the cords for about a minute, then plug them back in. This should help improve your connection. Move your console and router closer together to improve signal strength. Alternatively, you can use a Wi-Fi booster or extender to increase the range and connectivity. For the most reliable connection, use a wired LAN cable. This will make your connection much more consistent and faster. Next step is to adjust graphics settings. To fix this problem, go to your settings and select Graphics. Once you're there, set everything to low. This helps because if you have an older PC, PS4, or even PS5, the game might be too demanding on higher settings. Lowering the graphics can prevent these issues. Next, go to Online and Legal. Make sure crossplay is enabled. Sometimes, when you're playing with friends on different platforms, PC, PS4, PS5, the game won't let you connect if crossplay is turned off. So make sure it's on. And now, save and test. After making these changes, save your settings. Then, jump into a game. Everything should be running smoothly now, and you shouldn't see that error anymore. Those are some of the best ways to fix the network error in MultiVersus. Using a LAN cable is probably your best bet for a stable connection. Although this issue might still happen occasionally, these tips should significantly reduce its occurrence. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.